It has been estimated that there are over 70 million dogs in the United States alone, and that perhaps as many as 40% of U.S. households have a pet dog. Their popularity is due to their unique ability to enrich pet owners' lives and provide companionship. Unfortunately, many people who suffer from allergies are also allergic to dogs. In fact, the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America reports that as many as 30% of people with allergies have allergic reactions to dogs and cats, although cat allergies appear to be about twice as common as dog allergies. These pet allergens can even trigger an asthma attack in some people with the condition. Dog allergens are primarily found in pet dander, saliva, and even urine. A dog's fur is not generally the culprit, although it can collect dander, saliva, and urine, or other common allergens such as pollen, dust mites, or mold. Dog allergy symptoms vary from person to person, but common symptoms may include stuffy nose, sneezing, and nasal congestion, coughing, wheezing, and shortness of breath, inflamed or watery eyes, and skin rash.